Hello fellow camping enthusiasts, this is Naomi with SNS Rentals 101. Today we're going to demonstrate how to open the dining room window along with engaging in the emergency window feature. We start with opening the shade. Please make sure to use the knob that is provided. To open the window, we're going to use the red handle on the window by pulling it towards the room and then push the window towards the back wall that has the fireplace. To close the window, you just do the opposite actions. Pull it tight. You will need to hear a click to know that it is fully shut. To engage the emergency exit portion of this window, you open it the same way, pull towards the inside of the room, open your window completely, and then you open your shade. Your screen. Once your screen is fully open, you can safely exit the RV. Please note that this is only for emergencies and not to be used for any other purposes. In the case that you are just closing, as I previously stated, you close the window and pull the shade.